guys, so we're going to tour you, or I am going to tour you to our water villa in Sangu Villa, or it's Sangu Water Villa, something like that. Because here in Kuredu Island Resort, they have a lot of room names. So our is Sangu. Yeah, I think it's Sangu Villa. So I'm going to show you our room and what it looks like. Alright, so on this part, this is where, parati kong nakikita yung mga baby sharks and stingrays, and there's a lot of fishes here, which is, I'm so happy to see them because it's really my first time to encounter, animals or marines like that. Alright, so this is our room. It's 506. Let's open it. So yeah, you have to use that card to open the room. So this is what the water villa looks like. This is the bed. And it's so amazing, right? Ayan, meron siyang pa-cortina, paano siya, pa-princess effect or something like that. And then there's a drawer. And then itong drawer na to may light siya sa loob, which is so amazing. Diba? In the future, maybe one day, if I will have my own house, I could have a drawer like that as well. And then, kompleto siya. So you have your small bar here. There's a lot of wines, coffee, and a small refrigerator as well. There's a lot of juices there. And, wines, anything that you need. And then, yeah, there's a television. It's also air conditioned. The place is kind of big, which is amazing. And siya. Then now let's go to the restroom. So eto. So yan, 2 doors siya actually to go outside. So there's the lavatory area. Ito yung shower area. Actually, it's really nice. And then now, let's go outside. Ayan yung, what do you call it? Ceiling nila. It's really amazing. If you will have a chance to visit Maldives, you could actually, rent Kuredu Island villas. It's really cool. And there's Melody, of course. And then this is what this water villa looks like. So ito siya. You have your own I don't know what you call this. Basta may mga beds and then sun beds. And then yeah, so you could just dive there anytime you want. Medyo private-ish na siya. And then medyo I'm not sure if you could go with skinny dipping because it's kind of scary at night. Or even, so if ganitong araw, you could probably do that if you want it, if you want it. But yeah, this is really amazing. But honestly, I didn't swim on this part because I feel so scared. Again, I'm still learning to swim, but yeah, it's really a good room.